Okay guys, how do we stop this song? Oh, there is some button. Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. If you did watch my last video, then you don't know that I started my first big adventure on motorbike. And if you did watch, then you know how special I feel about that. Riding on European roads. That must be special, right? Let me ask you something. What do you think about the rain? Rain is great, right? It's blessing. Yes, we all agree with that. And in this video I'm gonna show you how much rain loves me. I hope you love me too. If yes, subscribe to this channel and give me some love. I started my journey from Bosnia and Herzegovina, from small town called Bihać. I reached Croatian border and my destination is Netherlands. That means I need to go across 4 countries. Right now I'm in a small town called Slunj and I hope I can reach Slovenia today. We will see. Wish me luck. I knew it will not be easy. There is a lot of kilometers ahead, but for now everything is fine. Everything is going according to the plan. I'm enjoying every kilometer and that is all that matters. I was really enjoying. I felt so proud of myself because I found courage to do this. And believe me guys, this is not easy thing to do. Why? You will find out soon enough. Suddenly, everything changed. Everything looked so different, so sad. The houses, the road, the cars. I was watching the clouds and I heard a voice. The rain is coming. You know, when I was imagining this trip, I was thinking about nice places, riding, resting and enjoying the landscapes. I never thought I will be under some bridge, staying there for hours and watching the rain. And being so bored. But that's life.
That's life. That's what all the people say. You're riding high and it.
I just arrived to Karlovac, but now it's raining. So I will wait here for 10 minutes. Maybe the rain will stop. If not, I will continue anyway, so I will just rest and drink my coffee and we will see. And I was there for 90 minutes. This bridge is really helpful. Yeah, it's interesting, you see. Oh my god, I was helpless. We have many pictures here. Yeah, about war, all of them. Yeah, that's about our countries, always about war. You know what? Who cares about the rain? Let's go! It's not bad to ride while it's raining. Yes, I love the rain. It's beautiful. There is no way I will give up. I will continue, no matter what. I need to reach Slovenia, and it's not too far from here. Maybe 30-35 kilometers. I can do it. First I reached small town called Ozag. But I couldn't go to explore. It's raining and I already wasted a lot of time. Maybe next time. The river you see on my right, it's called Kupa. It looks very dangerous. It can reach the road very easily. I have to hurry.
Run.
The river is not kidding. But I'm safe now. I almost reached the Slovenian border, and I can say that this was a real adventure. Maybe it was raining too much, but I have to get used to it. The weather cannot be controlled. I just hope I will have more luck in Slovenia. And there is the border. That means this episode has come to an end. I hope to see you again in a few days. So don't forget to subscribe.